Any questions that you have?
Aruti wira wa muingi ni matanyitwo guthii na mbere kuigua ritu uria umanite na mororo ma king'uki gia COVID-19 bururi-ini thutha wa kamiti ya kunyabara micara ya aruti wira SRC kurugamia mihango ya kumongerera micara undu umwe na marihi ma njoherera kwa ihinda ria miaka 2 yukite. Akianirira itua riri muikariri gitu wa kamiti no Lynn Mengich akuruhanitie kuhotoma gwotonga wa bururi na gukorwo gucungiriirie undu uyu. Itua riria rirongoreirie kuhonokeria bururi muigana wa ciringi mbironi 82 iria cingiahuthika hari kwongerera micara na marihi ma njoherera kuri aruti wira a thirikari.
There will be no review of the basic salary structures, allowances and benefits paid in the public sector in the financial year 2021-22 to 2022-23. 2. Annual salary notch adjustments in existing salary structures as set or advised by the Commission will continue to be applied within the budget allocation.
Nyongerera ino ya micara kuri aruti wira wa muingi gutanyitwo gukorwo iri ya gatatu rungu rwa gatiba ya mwaka wa 2010 ikirongorerio kurugamirira miaka ya kigina ya kuma mwaka wa 2021 nginya 2024. No thutha wa gikaro na ministry ya kigina undu umwe na aruti wira wa muingi SRC yakinyaniria kurugamia nyongerera ino ya micara.
Implementation of the outcome of the third remuneration and benefits review cycle is projected to cost 82 billion over a 4 fiscal year period. The National Treasury advised the Commission that due to the effect of COVID-19 pandemic on the performance of the revenue and the expected slow economic recovery, the Commission to consider postponing the review for the next 2 fiscal years until the economy improves.
Indeed, that advisory was sought and that advisory was given, explaining the economic circumstances that we are in, not only as a country, but as a global phenomenon. The fact that COVID pandemic has hit us very hard.
No na kuri uguo SRC niiranire kumurika wera undu uyu thutha wa ihinda ria miaka 2 ya kigina kuringana na uria utonga wa bururi ugukorwo hana kurumirira king'uki gia COVID-19. Riri ministry ya kigina na iria aruti wira wa muingi bururi-ini iteteire itua riri ikiuga niri kuhonokeria muingi mawira maingi makiria kuona thirikari ndekoretwo ikiungania kigina uria kwagiriire kuumana na mikana mingi ya COVID-19 gukorwo ihutitie biashara nyingi.
It's during these moments that we have to engineer new ways of finding solutions, and for us as a country we have adopted a 3-pronged approach that we would like to stabilize the economy against the ravages of COVID pandemic, put it on a trajectory for growth, and ensure that that growth is sustained.
The intention was to secure jobs, incomes, and welfare of workers while sustaining business. The parties are at liberty to revisit the contracts and to negotiate afresh and agree on terms and practical and suitable for their use during the pandemic period.
Kirivotera Kameme TV, Jitego Maura, Wagunya.